I'm professionally a petroleum engineer, and for the past 5 years, I've been working with the Kane, which is India's largest private oil and gas company. And at Kane, I've been working as a field engineer for the past 3 years, where I, manage day-to-day operations and involved with a lot of operational management of petroleum-related activities. And I with this opportunity working at the field, I've seen many consultants and many new innovative technologies coming in by various global consultants. I got to experience new challenges and take part in multiple projects. And with that, I got to know more about consulting, and I wanted to pursue that as my future endeavor. And I got to know that looking for a career switch at 4 to 5 years of your experience in operation management is a good opportunity for me to look for schools in US. So I started looking for schools which are basically strong in operation management and consulting particularly. And in that way, I figured out that Kellogg, Ross, and Tuck, these schools would be a good fit for me. So I decided to go for that. When I started with the application, I was bit worried about it because last year I started a bit late for the round two, and they say that most of the seats are gone in round one, especially for Indian applicants, which are a bit over-representative pool in MBA applications across US schools. So that time I got a bit worried, and I decided to reach out to you and a couple of other consultants as well. And you gave me that confidence that it's not too late right now. We can still have this in the bag, and we can still give this a go. So we started working together, and I realized that MBA application is not just about writing essays or writing recommendations. It's more about self-reflection on yourself, on your previous experiences, and how you want to portray it to the admissions committee, choosing out the best points of your career, highlights of your career, and linking it basically to your story and form a overall comprehensive package for adcoms to read. So tying it all together is very required, and I think Gyanvan team and you particularly have helped me a lot with the whole process. So I really like the way that instead of directly jumping into the applications part and writing essays, your team decided to give me a questionnaire and tried to know more about me and my experience throughout my professional career. And in that way, you were able to get even the smallest hobbies that I would play. Like for example, I'd played chess in my school level, but I wasn't going to write that in my MBA application because it's in sort of a way I have all forgot about it. But because of your questionnaire, I was able to re-examine myself and introspect on my journey throughout my life, and take out the best points and present it to the adcoms. So, yeah, it's been a really great journey with you. I think the most important advice I can give to anyone is have your reasoning ready why you want to apply to a particular these schools. Don't just go look at the ranking and decide that I'll go for these top 3 schools, because every school has a different culture and different expectations from you. For example, Tuck has a very collaborative culture. Same with Kellogg. They both have very collaborative culture, and so when you speak with various alumni for the schools, you'll get to know more about the culture. And based on that, I think you should take the decision in hand. Which school do you want to apply to? And I think that's the most important process that many applicants, especially Indian applicants, forget, and we just go for rankings and placements and all that. But I think this is a very important part which ultimately helps you out in the future while selecting these schools.